Hey everyone, Mario here, and I'm going to be demonstrating for you today my new Master Hold Brow Gel. This product is a game changer and I'm very excited about it. It's actually inspired by a prosthetic glue that I used for many years on my clients' brows to make sure that their brows did not move. And this brow gel I developed with this really unique brush that has two ends here. The smaller end is going to really coat the brow hairs, and then the longer hairs on the other end are going to really lift them and separate them beautifully for that really modern, trendy brow. Start out with the gel. This is a clear gel, so it's universal, everyone can use it. I'm going to just kind of put her hairs in place. Now she has a lot of hair, you can see, so she doesn't even need to really fill in the hairs with pencil. So I'm going to just kind of brush through the hairs now, and you'll notice as I'm brushing up and lifting the brows, how the gel holds it. No need to ever touch this up throughout the day. It's waterproof, it's transparent, and it's absolutely beautiful.